Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on the Dyson TP04 circuit board. In this video, we will dissect the circuit board, examining its components and how to maintain them effectively. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a multimeter for testing electrical components, a soft brush for cleaning, and isopropyl alcohol. Ensure you work in a well-lit area to avoid any mistakes. Begin by unplugging the Dyson TP04 from the power source. Safety first. Once it's unplugged, proceed to remove the screws on the back panel. There are typically 5 Phillips screws, make sure to keep them organized as you remove them. With the screws removed, gently pry off the back panel using a plastic spudger. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the circuit board. Before touching any components, ensure you discharge any static electricity by grounding yourself. Next, inspect the circuit board for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. Use your multimeter to test the functionality of the capacitors and resistors. This will help you identify any issues that need to be addressed. If you find damaged components, note that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This might save you time and ensure you're making the correct repairs. Now, let's clean the circuit board. Use a soft brush to gently remove any dust or debris. For stubborn grime, apply isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free cloth and wipe the affected areas. This will help maintain the circuit board's integrity and improve performance. Once cleaned, it's time to reassemble the unit. Carefully place the circuit board back into the casing, ensuring all connectors are properly seated. Reattach the back panel, securing it with the screws you previously removed. If you encounter any issues during this process or simply do not have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of going out. After reassembling, plug in the Dyson TP04 and test its functionality. Ensure that all settings are working correctly, and listen for any unusual sounds. If something seems off, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We provide quotes before any repair, ensuring transparency in our services. In conclusion, maintaining your Dyson TP04 circuit board can enhance its longevity and efficiency. Regular cleaning and occasional checks can prevent major issues down the line. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help with your vacuum repair needs right from your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.